Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got something new for y'all. Y'all know I love testing out skincare, and we have a new company called Bettr. You know, better skin for yourself. You know how I get down. You look good, you feel better, and you perform your best. So let's go ahead and check into it. So we have this brand called Bettr. Already, this is already my aesthetic. I'm that dark and moody. I love packaging. Packaging is one of the biggest things that I look for, and we got the black on black, baby. You can't ask no better than that. So right now it's like a 3-piece set that they have that they sent to me, so I can go ahead and review. So right now we're gonna actually go into the unboxing of this product. Okay. So as you see, we have the box. It's nice. You open it up, and when you open it up, first it says, hey, let's get better today, and then we have a nice little card. I like the little instructions, and first thing it tells you is a good thank you. Thank you for being with a part of the Bettr family. It gives you a little bit of how to use Bettr, clean with the cool size amount. You have Restore Bettr, and then they have a moisturizer. They also have a daily routine that you can look into it too. So now, as you see, we got the black on black on black. Okay. So I just love already how it's set up. Your products are not moving around. It already feels premium for you, and then on the little label says you wouldn't dare to break it. So guess what, y'all know I love a good dare. All right, so here we have the 3 products here. We have a clean Bettr. It's a facial cleanser here, maybe give you a little bit better look right there. We have a facial moisturizer, and then we have a facial serum. And so, like I said, I love packaging, and as you see in the packaging, it's already just sleek. It feels great, and everything. So let's open up one of the boxes. And so we're gonna open up the moisturized Bettr. And so look, we continue with the black on black theme. It looks great. You can already see this is good for travel. So if you're traveling and everything else, this will go great for your bag. Instead of like the pump action and stuff, everything. It's a twist cap. I do prefer twist caps. I feel that's a little bit more secure. It all feels really good. So as you see, from the box to the packaging, shipping came great. They had a nice bag that says Bettr Skincare for you. Everything is clean. Sometimes you get products and they look used already. They kind of look scratched up and all that. So that is good. And on top of that, at the end of the video, I am going to do a giveaway. So we're going to actually give away, my partner with Bettr to do this, a full box set. You can go online and check everything out, and everything is going to be in the description. We're going to touch on that a little bit later. But not only that, we're talking about better skin and checking out a product. We need to have some few tips of having better skin, because y'all need help. I'm telling y'all right now, y'all need help, and I'm here to help you. So first things first, tip number 1. Drink some water. You gotta get your water intake in, okay? I know you're used to surviving on 3 coats of the day, and your skin looks like it. It looks like all the fizz and the bubbles and everything else. You're wondering why? Because you're not drinking enough water, okay? Number 2, get some sleep. Staying up all night, you're not getting your proper amount of sleep, is wearing on your skin. You didn't think so? I'm talking about this is simple, practical steps that we just forget about. Number 3, wash your pillowcases. Wash them frequently. A lot of dirt and oil and sweat, just laying on your pillowcases 6-8 hours a night. It traps a lot of that stuff up, and you just rubbing your face right on into it. Tip number 4 is get a skincare routine. You can't just be using soap, whatever you find, any type of rag or anything else. What are you, a barbarian? Like, come on now, come on, all right? Tip number 5 is get like an applicator or something, so you don't have to kind of use your hands on your face. You know me, I recommend Dudes. I've been using Dudes since it came out. They have a new applicator coming out, a new version, and it does the skin well. So these are some quick and easy tips for you to have better skin. You can look really smooth. You can feel great. You can perform your best. So what you've been waiting for is the giveaway. So like I said, we're giving away a box, a full set of Bettr for you to have better skin for yourself. And it's going to be easy. I'm going to put all the information that you need in the description. You're going to have the link to get into the sweepstakes, okay? From this video posting, you'll have 2 weeks to go in. And I have a great amount of women followership. So look, if you got a man, you got a brother, anybody in your life like that, sign them up, you know, because you want better skin for them, you know, because you care, because you love them, okay? So it's going to be pretty easy. Like I said, I also have a code that's going to be in the description that's going to give you 10% off your first set if you decide to purchase. And I also, hey, if you want to support the channel, I got an affiliate link. So help your boy out, support the channel. And because we're talking about support the channel, I have to say, go ahead and like. Stop right now and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell notification so you know when I post, because I'm gonna do an official review on this so you can actually see, you can see the difference in the skin, how I apply and everything else. So I want better skin for you. And so since I want better skin for you, I brought you a solution, okay? So I'll check y'all out next video. Peace.